Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing a reliable USB drive and collecting vital info. Plug in a 16 GB or larger USB, then open Control Panel and choose Recovery. Select Create a Recovery Drive and check Include System Files so the tool can reinstall Windows if needed. Once done, the wizard detects your Windows version. Make sure it matches the PC you'll repair. This minimizes driver mismatches later, and it speeds recovery because the media contains the exact files Windows expects. You proceed with building the recovery drive by following the wizard prompts carefully, selecting the correct USB target drive. The tool will format the stick and copy files. Do not remove power or eject the USB while it runs because interrupted copies produce unusable media. Once the process finishes, verify the completion message and safely eject. Next, test the boot order, restart, enter BIOS or UEFI, and set USB as the first boot device so you can confirm the recovery media actually boots the machine. You finish by booting from the USB recovery drive and selecting Troubleshoot, then choose Advanced Options to pick Startup Repair, System Restore, or Reset this PC depending on your goal. Follow on-screen steps. Startup Repair fixes boot files, System Restore rolls back to a restore point, and Reset reinstalls Windows while optionally keeping files. If the USB isn't recognized, make sure you try a different port. Recreate the recovery drive on another machine, and check BIOS settings. Enable legacy USB support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.